haven't learned the rhythm.
Look around, there's so many flavors. Which one do you like the best? Close your eyes, now can you try to guess? I know what's the taste. Salty, bitter.
It is sunny today, so Kitty decided to eat ice cream. Watch out, Kitty! Bee wants to share. Uh-oh, Kitty doesn't want to. Quick, look up, Kitty! Bee arrives with his friends. Run, Kitty, run! Oh no, they ate all the ice cream! Kitty's family are shopping. Stay close, Kitty. Oh, so many toys! But where's Mom and Dad?
No, I'm lost.
Kitty's scared and alone. Sit here, wait for help. Look, here's security. He can help. Yikes! Hedgehog, your barn's on fire! Quick, grab the bucket! Oh no! There's no water! Maybe you need to blow? Oops, bad idea. The firefighters can help. Help me! There's a fire! Emergency!
Firefighters are ready! I'm on my way!
Thanks for watching this video.